Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy and paste on PC or laptop. Chapter 1. Copy and paste on PC or laptop with keyboard. To copy using the keyboard, we will do the following. We will start by selecting what we want to copy. Next, we press the Ctrl+C keys at the same time. After that, we are going to go where we want to insert what we copied, such as an email, a document, or the website, and we press the +Ctrl keys at the same time to paste it. We will see that the content that we have previously copied is inserted. Chapter 2. Copy and paste on PC or laptop without keyboard. We are going to use the mouse for this option. To do this, we are going to start by selecting what we want to copy. Next, we are going to right-click on it and we will see the copy option, which we will press. There are elements such as images that just by right-clicking on them, the option to copy appears, and there is no need to select it. Then we are going to go where we want to insert the content and right-click again. In this case, we will click on the paste option. We will see that the previously copied content has been inserted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.